Welcome back to HPHY Healthy Practices, Healthier You. We're covering part 2 of the ginger series. In our last episode, part 1, we discussed the first 4 benefits of ginger, including reduced inflammation, aid in digestion, boosted immunity, and lowering blood sugar levels. If you haven't seen it yet, please check it out. In this video, we'll review the next 6 science-backed benefits of ginger. The 5th benefit of ginger is that it relieves menstrual pain. It's been shown to be effective in reducing menstrual pain in women because it reduces the production of prostaglandins, which are hormones that cause pain, and it reduces inflammation during menstruation and acts as a natural muscle relaxant, easing cramps and discomfort. This results in less pain and discomfort during menstrual cycles, yes, and also improved moods and energy levels. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that ginger was as effective as ibuprofen in relieving menstrual pain. So there are many different ways to use ginger, like we mentioned in the last video, that the different ways had different combination and percentages of and proportions of the compounds, the beneficial and bioactive compounds in ginger that actually provide these health benefits. So you can use it raw. You can chew fresh ginger or make ginger tea during your menstrual periods. You can cook it, add it to meals to benefit from its pain relieving properties. You can ferment it. Fermented ginger tea can provide soothing relief. And how can you use it to relieve menstrual pain? Well, you can drink ginger tea or chew it raw during your menstrual cycle to alleviate pain. So in addition to using it raw during your menstrual cycle, you can add ginger to your diet in the days or maybe the week leading up to your period. Take ginger supplements as a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers if your doctor and a qualified healthcare provider agrees. The 6th benefit of ginger is that it supports heart health. It does so by reducing risk factors associated with cardiovascular disease. Ginger lowers cholesterol levels and improves lipid profiles, reducing blood pressure and improving blood circulation. This leads to a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke and improved overall cardiovascular health. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that ginger supplementation led to significant reductions in LDL, what we loosely term bad cholesterol, but it's not bad cholesterol. It's all cholesterol is essential to do what it does, but that's a topic for a different day. But we loosely term LDL bad cholesterol, and it also reduces triglyceride levels. That's what the Journal of Nutrition found about ginger supplementation. Additionally, a systematic review and meta-analysis of phytotherapy research also supports ginger's efficacy in lowering blood pressure, which means like in the clinical testing. So it wasn't out in real world surroundings. It was done in like lab clinical settings. Many different ways to use ginger, the same ways that we mentioned before. You can raw, you can add it to salads or juices for heart health benefit. You can also use it cooked, incorporate it into meals to support cardiovascular health. Fermented, which you can do like a ginger tea or ginger infused water that's mixed with some probiotic rich non-alcoholic ginger beer, fermented ginger beer. How will you use it? Well, in addition to all the ways we mentioned, just regularly including it in your smoothies, your teas, in all your meals to support cardiovascular health and help manage your blood pressure will be one effective way. The 7th benefit of ginger is that it enhances brain function. Ginger's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can benefit brain health and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Gingerol and other antioxidants in ginger protect brain cells from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the brain, which can protect against cognitive decline. This results in improved memory, improved mental clarity, and a reduced risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. A study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that ginger extract improved cognitive function and memory in middle-aged women. Many ways to use ginger, like we mentioned. You can use it raw, adding it to smoothies and meals to boost your brain health. You can incorporate it into all the cooked dishes and meals for cognitive benefits, and just add ginger to your diet in ways that make sense for you, that's palatable and, dare I say, delicious and enjoyable for you. I like ginger juice or concentrated ginger shot, especially in the mornings, if I'm feeling a bit sluggish. It definitely replaces any kind of caffeine that one may think they need. So you can drink ginger juice and this ginger shot, to regularly benefit from its neuroprotective effects while supporting your brain health. The eighth benefit of ginger is that it relieves muscle pain and soreness. Ginger has been shown to reduce muscle pain and soreness, particularly after exercise. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce pain and inflammation in your muscles by inhibiting the production of cytokines and chemokines that cause inflammation and pain. We mentioned both of these compounds, signaling proteins, in the inflammation video. This results in less muscle pain and stiffness, quicker recovery times, and improved physical performance. A study published in the Journal of Pain found that daily ginger supplementation reduced muscle pain by 25% after exercise. That's pretty significant. But of course, as we all know, everybody's body is different and pain thresholds are different. And how can you use it to relieve muscle pain and soreness? Well, first, talk to your qualified healthcare professional. You can use it raw, chew in fresh ginger, or add in to smoothies post-exercise. You can add any form of ginger to your post-workout routine to just reduce muscle pain and soreness. Ginger tea or ginger infused water can help be part of your staple and your essentials to aid recovery, to soothe the muscles and aid recovery. The concentrated ginger shot can be quite an effective approach. And of course, you can incorporate it into your meals, including hot or cold soups, to benefit from its anti-inflammatory properties. The ninth benefit of ginger is that it supports weight maintenance. Ginger can aid in healthy weight stabilization by increasing your metabolism and reducing your appetite. A study published in the European Journal of Nutrition found that ginger increases thermogenesis, the process of burning calories to produce heat, and can help regulate appetite by increasing feelings of satiety, that feeling of fullness and contentment after you've eaten, where you don't want any more. You feel like you've had all you can have. You don't feel sick because you didn't overeat, but you just feel quite satisfied and content. This can lead to more effective weight management, improved energy levels, and overall health. How can you use it to support healthy weight management? Well, the same ways that we mentioned, adding ginger to your smoothies or juices for metabolism boost, incorporate into your meals to aid in weight maintenance. A fermented, non-alcoholic ginger beer can help regulate appetite, boost metabolism while being, chock full of probiotics. You can also drink ginger tea between meals to reduce appetite. The 10th benefit of ginger is that it improves respiratory health by reducing inflammation and clearing congestion. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract and help clear mucus and improve your breathing. This leads to improved respiratory function and reduced symptoms of respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis. A study published in the American Journal of Respiratory Health and Molecular Biology found that ginger reduced inflammation in the respiratory tract and improved breathing in individuals with asthma. So how can you use it to improve respiratory health? Well, you can chew fresh ginger or add it to hot water for respiratory relief. You can inhale it. You can do almost like a little steam ginger and cover your head to just inhale as much of that as possible. That may make a difference. You can add it to meals to benefit from respiratory health. You can also use ginger tea to just help clear congestion and improve breathing, adjusting your dosage and with what is comfortable and enjoyable for you. So you can make it very strong and concentrated or very light, as long as you're getting some form of it in a way that makes sense for you. Now, under the advice of your healthcare practitioner, you can use ginger as a natural remedy to support treatments for respiratory conditions. So please talk to your doctors to make sure that it will be okay for your particular health status. So that ends the second part of our series in the benefits of ginger. We've covered 6 more benefits, science-backed benefits, including relieving menstrual pain, support in heart health, enhance in brain function, relieving muscle pain and soreness, supporting weight loss, and improving respiratory health. I mean, one little ingredient, it's so powerful and can cover so many different domains of our health and our wellness. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can watch part 3, where we'll discover the last, well, some of the last, because it's not even fully comprehensive, some of the last science-backed benefits of ginger. Please share with your loved ones, as it can be so helpful to so many and support the health of so many people, especially, people that are finding it a little bit difficult to incorporate some of these health benefits into their lives. This can be like a very delicious option for many, and very easy option for many, as some of them are already doing it. Also, please comment and share topics of interest you would like to see HPHY cover. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.